Welcome back to Kenny's Tool Review. Today we're doing fuel pressure gauges, fuel pressure testers, whatever you want to call them. I believe they call this from the Icon Master Fuel Injector Service Kit. Also got the tried and true snap-on. I will mention that the number one thing I hate about this snap-on kit is the case. The case sucks. I don't think they have this case anymore. I think they have updated one, but to get it you need to buy a new gauge, which is absolutely ridiculous. You can't buy it separately. This leaks currently. Just started leaking, so this is a very old kit. It's gonna have some faults every now and then. The problem with the case being this stuff does not go up here. This is the one that you use the most, so you have to jam it under here to get it to stay, and so it'll close. You can see it's cracked. The glass is cracked a little bit. Very accurate kit. We've got a lot of made tools in here. It works great. This is the one you're gonna probably use the most with the GM. Second most here with like the Ford, Volvo. I even think Volkswagen uses that. Schrader valve tool. Got some of the old ones. Seems to a lot of stuff's missing, but it might just be in here. It's hard for me to put it back. When I got the kit, or when I started using the kit, it was in pretty much the shape. There's a lot of stuff up under here somewhere that you can't see. Yeah. So if you're gonna get this kit through your Snap-on route, make sure it comes with the better case, because otherwise, it's a piece of crap. Using it is horrible. I have the Icon here. I got this, hoping to not have to deal with that. This one, as you can see, has a nice removable top, so you can take all the things out. Everything's nice and organized. There is a part list up here and a manual to tell you how to use it. Couple things about this. The Schrader valve part sticks out a little bit. I don't really like that much. How it sticks out like that. But one thing about having this kit is that you're going to need to probably leak test all the fittings. So that might sound weird. But for instance, let's see. This, like this portion right here where I have the Teflon, I had to switch this out from something else. I think it was this one that I switched it out, the one that's in here, because it leaked a lot. It's also got all your regular hoses and fittings. These are going to be the things that you use the most. I don't particularly like these the best. It's not that they're not useful. It's just I don't know why they put it on a 90 like this. You got a straight line coming in. You're disconnecting that line, and now you got to bend one of the things up to get into here, and then this hose is gonna like kink getting back into wherever you took it out of, and then it's gonna be like that, this piece really long. Most times what would have just worked is if they took this piece and put it here, which I'm probably gonna do, and reseal them with some sort of gasoline sealant with threads, because some of these do leak. I did not buy this kit. This kit was given to me for like a Christmas present. Somebody got it off eBay or something. So someone had bought it and then probably realized that it leaked and did not like it, and then on Amazon. So I don't know if the ones from the store are that good. If you buy them from the store, they're probably going to come with a good warranty from Harbor Freight, and if any of them leak, just bring it back, get a new one. But I can't guarantee that the new one's gonna not leak. These Icon stuff, a lot of the Harbor Freight stuff, great case. You can take these pins out, and then you can just have this piece in a toolbox if that's what you wanted. Pretty much all of their cases have that. I'm surprised that someone like Snap-on hasn't done any of this. I'm not particularly a huge fan of why the gauge is separate from the hose, but it doesn't seem to matter too much. I don't think that this one has leaked yet. I don't know if that has anything to do with the way the Schrader valves are. I don't know if, I mean, you got to take them apart and reseal them all. These ones are all solid, so there's nothing really going on there. It's not that I don't recommend this kit. I just want everyone to be word to the wise, you know, buyer beware. My set has leaked. If you want a set that's not going to leak and you're going to be pretty good out of the gate, any of the big brands, whatever it is, the extra money, it's pretty much guarantee it. These are all warranty items. I'm sure this has got like a lifetime warranty or something, or at least a couple-year limited. You can make your own decision on that. The price difference is quite a bit, but not a lot compared to what you think. This set's not cheap. I think it was $300 or something. I'll post in the description, but I mean, you can figure that out on your own just going to Harbor Freight's website. But there it is. So if you think you're gonna get a nice cheap Icon set and it's gonna be better than the Snap-on, it's probably not gonna be. I tend to rarely use this set anymore just because I don't have to deal with fixing leaks every time I go do it. Just because I'm kind of lazy, I guess, and you know, I'm in the middle of diagnosing a fuel pump issue. I don't want to be diagnosing why my fuel pressure gauge leaks. I have another small one in there somewhere, I believe, and I use that a lot more than I use this thing. So if you like to leave a comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe, all that stuff. At 100 subs, which is going to be coming soon. I'm at like 50 now. There'll be a tool giveaway. It won't be just for the 100 subs. Anyone during the 100 subs giveaway will also, if they subscribe, will also become get into the giveaway. So thanks. Have a great day.